Hi, in this video we're going to find the perimeter of a more complicated shape that consists of rectangles. Now we've got this rectangle here and this shape below is made up of those. So let's kind of label some of the lengths on here. We know in this rectangle here, which is just an example of this, we've got that this is 7 and this is 3. We've also got another copy of it here. So we could say this is 3 here, and we've got another copy here. So we could say that's another 3. But we also need to find what, for example, this length is here, these diagonal lengths like this length is here, etc. And this length is here. Now, what we could do is if we just look at this triangle here, for example, that's a right angle triangle. It's a right angle triangle. And we know, because this is 7, which is one of the lengths of the yellow rectangle, and we know this is 3, we could use Pythagoras' theorem on this triangle to work out that red length. So if we just draw this out down here, we've got the 7 and we've got the 3. This is the purple triangle. And we want to find what this red length is at the top. Now, we don't know, we don't have a side length. Let's just call it x. And then we can use Pythagoras' theorem. Remember, Pythagoras' theorem relates the side lengths of a right angle triangle. And the way it works is if we do one of the shorter lengths squared, so let's say the 3 squared, and we add the other shorter length squared, so the 7 squared, doesn't matter which way around they are, that is equal to the hypotenuse squared. Remember, the hypotenuse is the length that is opposite the right angle, and it's the longest length of the right angle triangle. So we can get rid of that squared on the x by just square rooting both sides, like this. And if we do that on our calculator, we get x is equal to 7.61577. Cool. So now we know the red length is 7.61577. And we also know this other red length is here, the same, because it's the same triangle. And so is this other red length, that's 7.61577. So now we just need to add up all these lengths and that gives us the total perimeter. So the total perimeter is we've got 1, 7. And how many 3s we got? We got 3 3s, 3 times 3. And we've also got how many lots of 7.61577? We've got 3 lots of that. And let's just put that into calculator to find the total perimeter. So we get 7 plus 9 plus 3 times that answer. And that gives you 38 how many decimal places? It wants 1 decimal place, so just 38.8 will do. And that is the final answer. It's 38.8 centimeters, and we are done.